Hey, if you want to enable iPhone notifications on your Redmi Watch 5, just start by opening Mi Fitness application, click on Device, and then go into Notifications and Calls. Select App Notifications and tap on the switcher to turn them on. And additionally, I can recommend you to Wake Screen. Then enable all phone notifications and also notifications from all of those apps that you want to use. There we go, just one by one. And after that, if there's like no applications that you want to get, you have to select Other switcher. And if it is not working, then you have to be sure that on your iPhone and on your watch, you turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. Or for example, you can go here and check for some notifications. So be sure that you enable, all of these notification settings from some specific apps. Like for example, if you don't receive notifications from the FaceTime, just go here and be sure that you enabled everything.